Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin Google Calendar to Windows 11 taskbar using Brave browser. For this, first open Brave browser on your Windows PC and then visit Google Calendar website and then sign in to your account and then minimize this one Brave browser. Now click on this one start button at the taskbar and type Brave. In the search results, right click on this one Brave app entry, select open file location. Again right click on this one Brave shortcut, select open file location. Now you will see Brave application. Right click on this one and select copy as path. Now close this one file explorer window. Now right click on the space on the desktop, select add new and then shortcut option. In the shortcut location box, type the path you have copied, then put one space and then hyphen, then type URL, again put one space, and now copy the Google Calendar path from the Brave browser and paste at the end in the location box. Then click on this one next button, name it Google Calendar, then click on this one finish button. Now you will see a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar. Right click on this one shortcut icon, select show more options and then click on pin to taskbar. Now you will see a Google Calendar icon will be pinned to your Windows 11 taskbar. Whenever you want to open Google Calendar using Brave browser, just click on this one icon and it will be loaded in Brave browser.